I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by cutting power and removing any cables so the board is safe to touch. Once done, ground yourself. Static will fry components. Make sure you can see the expansion slots, then remove the side panel. Locate the Wi-Fi adapter, a small card in a PCIe slot, or an M.2 module near the edge of the board. You're about to access the adapter directly. Do this now so you can follow the removal steps with clear visibility and no distractions. Now you'll detach external connections first. Gently pull the antenna cables straight off the snap connectors so you don't bend pins. Next, use a magnetic or small Phillips driver to remove the screw holding the card bracket or the small M.2 standoff screw. Keep screws in a safe place. Then depress the PCIe clip or lift the card at a slight angle and pull it free. If it's an M.2 module, slide it out parallel to the board. Steady. Even force prevents damage. After removal, close the case and reconnect power. Then boot into BIOS or your operating system to confirm the adapter is no longer present. Check Device Manager or Network Settings to ensure the hardware was fully removed and that the system recognizes the change. If networking behaves oddly, reset the replacement or verify antenna connectors are snug. Try another PCIe slot if available. If the card wasn't detected before removal,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.